Lagi mo bang pinapansin ang mga gawain ng ibang tao sa feed mo, sa TikTok man o kaya sa Facebook, pero ang iba, wala kang panahon? Para sa mabugang buhay, tayo na po't magkapet pandasal. Your attention is the most valuable thing you own, but everyone is trying to steal it from you. Think about those thorns, the constant notification on your phone, the compare and despair cycle of scrolling, and the anxiety of trying to keep up with everyone else's highlight reel. Pinapatay nito yung panahon para hasain ang galing natin. You start the day with big goals, and by noon, you're drained by things that don't even matter. It's time to get defensive about your peace. It's okay to say no to the noise so you can say yes to the things that actually make you feel alive. Your growth depends on the soil you choose to stay in. So, pick your environment wisely. Manalangin po tayo. Aming banal na Espiritu Santo, bigyan mo kami ng tibay ng loob upang patahimikin ang ingay sa aming kaloob-looban. Amen.